first of all, thank you so much, audience, for joining me and having me, listening to me. Uh, thank you so much for joining. And my name is Rishabh Singh, and right now, by profession, I'm an engineer, but basically, I'm a pioneer who loves exploring and exploring, and I'm into marketing. So brand strategies and marketing, which is somewhere I'm more inclined towards, and personal branding is one of the things. So previously, I was a TEDx co-organizer. I was a Harvard delegate. I worked as a campus ambassador for IIT Delhi. I am Bangalore. I am Indore, and also I work for social initiatives. And after that, I started my own talk show where I've invited during this lockdown. Basically, wanted to help the student community and wanted to bridge the gap between those speakers and the audience. So my speakers were international speakers, TEDx speakers, Forbes Asia 30 under 30 entrepreneurs. So these guys were like my legit speakers for my talk show called Ignatian Talk. And also my application recently got selected for International Youth Leadership Conference at Malaysia and Dubai, which is not going to happen because of COVID-19. So I started scaling my personal brand on LinkedIn. And yeah, so that's it. If you are listening me for the first time, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn. So you just simply search on Google Rishabh Singh TEDx. You'll get my LinkedIn ID on the Google itself. So just from the audience, I just wanted to know how many of you are joining from LinkedIn. Can you just type in the comments? Are you from LinkedIn or not? Anyone who's from LinkedIn? Just type LinkedIn. That's it. Anyone? Okay. No one. Uh, cool, cool. Let it be. Let's start. Maybe my LinkedIn
Okay.
farm is too busy. Okay, from LinkedIn, Rudra Roy.
No
Thank
issues.
you so much. Finally.
Okay. So, first of all, good evening, everyone. And I want to apologize before only because there might be a network issue. So, I'm Didipya, and I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you for today's healthy chat with Hey Foodie. So, sir, before we start, I would like to tell you in brief what Hey Foodie is all about. We are a food tech company which is trying to create an awareness amongst the millennials and especially between the students through subscription service and nurturing them for a better future with healthy, hygienic, and fresh food, reminding them of their maake haath ka khana. So we provide a medium through which people can inculcate healthy eating habits in their day-to-day life and hence be made aware of its importance. So I would like to start off today's session by asking you that we saw you are quite an achiever at such young age. So can you put some light over your journey?
So basically, I didn't know I was going into this personal branding stuff or marketing. Initially, I started from 12th. I took science, and I used to be very much enthusiastic towards sports. So under 14, under 17, under 19, I was chess champ. Under 17, under 19, I was a football champ. So I was pretty good with my academics as well. Not that good, to be honest, but yeah. So I took the my admissions into engineering basically, and somewhere I came to know after doing two practical internships, I technical internships. Basically, I got to know that my interest doesn't lie on this engineering stuff, technical stuff. So what next? What can I do next? So from there, I try to shift my career into different things. Like as an engineer, there is one thing that engineer lacks to soft skills. So I wanted to build my good sources rather than going for any courses. I thought, why not to go with internships? So in between that phase, I was rejected between 50 to 60 internships. Like my application was not selected. I was not able to went to the interview rounds as well. So my application was not selected for the companies, and I tried my best, like literally. And somewhere, I was selected, and from there my journey started. And then I came to know my communications is good and networking part is good. So I kept on exploring all those kind of a fields. And also I worked on social initiative because I feel everyone should do some contribute towards a better half of the society. Okay, so once you do that, you will improvise yourself as well. So from there, you will get to know a lot of things, and you will feel how privileged you are, like having 24/7 electricity, having this internet connection is also a privilege because 60 to 70% of Indians still, I mean, 30 to 40% of Indians don't have a internet, still don't have a proper internet connection. So yeah, contributing to the social initiatives and helping and building the community is one of my main things. Like from the beginning, my goal was to inspire the people around me and to build the right set of audience. I mean, to build the right set of community where there's a like mind of people who can push each other. Because somewhere I was not able to get that kind of a community, and I used to talk to 100 people, and from there I used to get their advice, and then I have to craft it in my manner. So yeah, that is my
Absolutely.
thought.
Absolutely. Like your journey was amazing, and I hope you get more success. We have a lot of things to do in our life still. I agree with that. So, what motivates you to do what you do? Like, whatever you do in your life, what motivates you to do that?
Uh, to be honest, it is my main goal is to inspire the people. What this is like whenever somebody asks me what is your main motive or something, what is it? So usually I say that, I mean, that is the my main agenda, to inspire the people around me, to push them into their maximum extent so that they can be aware what is their real potential. Because somewhere right now, in this age, people are pursuing their graduation, they don't know exactly what they have to do, and they take another course like MBA, and they still again they are confused that whether they want to do marketing, finance, operations. So I feel people have to, I mean, students need to focus on the practical part. They don't have to approach from the theoretical things. That's why now education policies are changing, and they are focusing more on skills, because skills are important, and you have to explore and you have to love the process of the rejections as well. You have to learn from the rejections. So failures and rejections are the part of your life. So you don't think like it is a failure. It's just a next step towards your success.
Absolutely, absolutely correct. So, nowadays, depression is the hot topic going on. So, what
Yeah.
do you think? Like, why is it rapidly increasing?
It is, first of all, during this lockdown, a lot of things are happening. So people are not able to, people are not able to go out and express themselves. Sometimes what happens, if I'm not in good mood, to be honest, whether I'm a kind of person who likes to go out. I'm a pretty outgoing person. So I daily travel. I explore different outlets, food outlets especially. Food is love, to be honest. So yeah, so I used to go out and to explore. I used to hang out with different kind of I mean different with different groups with my friends. I used to hang out with them. I used to play football. So we have this plan. So I'm pretty outgoing person. So exactly I know, being from past 6 months I am at home, and वो एक अलग ही ये vibe आ रहा है. So luckily I was able to, I was able to uh, I was I was able to this thing. I was able to make that change inside me. But there are tons of people who are suffering regarding their mental health, because they are not able to vent it out, whatever they feel. Somewhere there are parents ke issues and fightings and all are happening, and th- some sort of problems are happening. And the main problem of the depression is, like, people are they are matlab, they are not focusing on, they don't have a busy schedule. So a lot of time they are free and they are overthinking. So once you start overthinking, you tend to get more depressed. Okay, you tend to get more depressed. So I feel initially what you have to do, you have to schedule it so that you keep yourself busy and you can focus on your work. You focus on building your skills. You do something. That is the one thing which I want to do. And also talk to people. If you have friends, if you have a family, just go and talk to them. Just vent it out, whatever you feel, because talking will definitely going to help. And third is, I guess, food. To be honest, food is something. When you have your favorite food, I mean, this is my experience. To be honest, when you have your favorite food or your favorite, chocolate shake, something. That's what I do. I used to go McDonald's and I used to have that chocolate shake. So that triggers something else, and for a while it changes my mood, and then I have this optimistic thinking. So from there, I was able to develop all this kind of a things. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, when it comes to food, like you are on a foodie show, so we want to
Exactly.
know, are you a foodie, like a big time foodie or a normal foodie? Like, normally you can
Legend,
eat
legend.
anything.
I can tell you that recently I shifted to a new place in my in this city. I mean Mumbai. I was staying in Mumbai, but I was I recently shifted to Malad, like Mumbai में एक area है Malad. So after shifting to there, like it's been 1.5 years or so. आधा साल तो ऐसे ही निकल गया. एक साल जो था where I explored like 55 plus outlets in Mumbai. So I have this
Oh my God.
Zomato Gold. So I have this Zomato Gold. So these guys have a track, right? So वहाँ पे I was
Yeah.
just scrolling in their new update. They told कि you have explored 55, 60 plus outlets, something like that. So it's like if I was able to talk about it, then maybe मैं food blogger भी बन सकता था. But anyway, कभी ना कभी वो भी होगा. So yeah, so that is the thing, like food outlets, trying different cuisines. Like it's like food is love. Trust me.
So are you passionate about cooking and all? Like you are a foodie, we understood that, but then are you like into cooking and learning, experimenting with the food items?
Trying my best to be honest, but not into food because मेरा काम घर पे है, like to wash the utensils, बर्तन मारना. That is something which I'm doing right now. But in terms of food, yeah, honestly, I want to learn. To be honest, I want to learn. So I always tell my friends कि जब भी हम मिलेंगे या whenever I meet someone who is into food blogging and stuff, so I tell them just give me a cooking classes, and definitely I need that because I know someday or another. Right now I'm privileged that I'm staying with my family, so luckily मम्मी ने मेरा डाइट संभाल के रखा है. Whatever she's giving me, she's like fulfilling my complete needs in terms of food. And तो इसलिए मैं अपने आप को ज्यादा किचन में ये नहीं करता. So but I feel yeah, I have to learn this. I have to learn this skill. I have to learn this art of cooking.
Okay, great. Someday you might learn it.
Yeah,
So,
I have to, trust me.
okay. So living a healthy lifestyle nowadays, it's a big problem, and it's a challenge for everyone. So what is your views on it?
Can you repeat the question?
I said living a healthy lifestyle is turning out to be a big challenge nowadays. So why is it so? Like what are your views about it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I feel people don't have the purpose. So they are more inclined towards their taste buds. They are more inclined towards their taste, but they don't feel like being healthy is a. I mean, everyone knows healthy is a must thing if you want to survive for 100 years. Kidding. So yeah, this is something everyone knows, but why they are not able to do it? Because they don't have this control. They don't have the discipline. That's what I say. Workout is like when I say college ke time pe, people always go for workouts and then they focus on gym because the trainer is telling them to focus. Otherwise, body नहीं बनेगा लोगों का. So that is the mentality
Right.
we have. So at the time of gymming only, people usually focus on healthy food. Otherwise, everyone knows healthy food khana is good thing and blah blah blah. But they don't have this purpose. They don't have this purpose कि यार healthy food खाने से कुछ ऐसा होगा. Because everyone is in our teenager, like लोगों को अपना shape में रखना है, ठीक है? And to be honest, it's like 60. I mean, obviously 60% is your food, 60% is your food, and 40% is your gym वगैरह. So your diet matters the most.
Yes,
And I'm a
absolutely.
kind of a person who is anti gym. मैं आज तक कभी gym नहीं गया. मैं आज से कभी जिम नहीं गया. जो भी था, I have done the home workouts. I used to go for football. Usually I play football a lot. Like I'm into sports, football, chess, badminton, pool, etc., etc. Like I can give you tons of football sports ka list where I play and somehow I'm surviving. Somehow I'm surviving as in
Okay.
somehow I'm able to keep myself fit because
Maintain
of all these
yourself.
things. During this lockdown, like from past, yeah, from past 1 week, I've started running also like 1.5 or 2 kilometers. So started this thing. But I'm a complete and anti-gym guy. If I want to join something, then I'll be focusing on mixed martial arts or boxing. But आने वाले 2 साल का, this is my goal. Like I want to go for mixed martial arts or either I want to go for boxing, not gymming. I have seen guys they do gymming and once they play football with me, वो मुझसे पहले थकते हैं. they lose their stamina. Like they lose their stamina early. So I've
Yeah,
seen exactly kya hota hai. So I have to focus on physics. I mean, which can help me to enhance my skills. Like boxing helps you to focus, and mixed martial art also helps you to
right,
focus. So discipline and focus is important.
right. Absolutely true. So, what are your go-to meals when you are stressed out?
When I'm stressed out, so last time what I did, I went to McDonald's and then I ordered uh, chocolate milkshake. I don't know what was name. I don't remember the name, but it was a chocolate shake. So usually, whenever I go to KFC, or usually I don't go to KFC, but I have this thing. I always buy shake like crusher है chocolate crusher something कुछ तो रहता है KFC और Burger King में. So usually shakes are something, chocolate shake which triggers your ऐसा brain का ये thing, like, it makes you happy, or you feel satisfied. It completes your, like, हाँ हो गया है, like, it feels
Adrenaline
good.
rush.
Yeah, exactly,
Okay,
bro, exactly. Hmm.
okay,
I would
Rishabh,
okay.
love
if you've
to
been in
ask the.
Rishabh, as you told,
Hmm.
Rishabh, as you
Hmm.
told, you live in Malad. So I
Hmm.
reside in Kandivali. So
Hmm.
this thing is very much into hike. This what I can say in Kandivali, Borivali, Malad. Etigo. Have you heard of it? Etigo.
Etigo.
Etigo. Yeah, have you heard of it?
No, I guess I have, maybe मैंने देखा होगा, but I don't remember the name.
No.
Yeah,
If you know about Zomato Gold, you must know about Etigo. That's the
I
thing.
might have explored, but I don't remember the name. That is the thing.
See, I'll tell
Hmm.
you that will make you pretty sad. But Etigo is nothing but Zomato Gold for free.
Okay, okay. Crazy,
Check
crazy,
out,
crazy.
check
Yeah,
out
yeah,
Etigo.
yeah.
Like if it's not working as of now, but yes, it provides you the list of the handpicked restaurants, the best restaurants
Yeah, yeah,
of this area, in
yeah,
Kandivali,
yeah.
Borivali, Malad, with a discount.
Okay,
With
I've
discount.
just right now I've just opened my laptop and I just searched that thing. The
Etigo.
this thing. Definitely, I'm going to try. Thank you so much, Anil. Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
By the way,
okay.
I'm Anil.
yeah.
If you may remember, Anil.
Anil,
Yep.
my bad
DM'd
actually,
you.
but definitely we had some conversation. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. We'll have a word definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks.
Okay. So, as I was asking, is there
I would
anything
like
that
to ask my audience this. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
actually we have audience time as well? We'll keep in at around
Network issue, I
seven
guess.
five start. Hello,
Yeah.
hello.
Hello. Yeah.
I can hear
You're
you.
audible.
I can hear you.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. So I was saying audience questions will be there at the end of the session, like 5-10 minutes before that. So I was asking
Okay.
that is there anything you do in like everyday life that has helped you to reach success in your work?
Is there anything you do? Because your voice is breaking in between, so I was not able to get your question.
Okay. I was asking that do you do something like every day in life that has helped you to reach success in your work life?
Uh, I am not a kind of a guy who maintains some kind of a discipline. I'm still struggling with that. I try to wake up at 6 or 7. Now I'm doing with one of my friend. Like, we call each other and we make sure that we wake up. If don't, then I have to give a fine. Otherwise, he will give a fine. So this formula is we are trying to apply. It makes your goal more simpler when you have someone who is like-minded. So yeah, so that is one story. Or otherwise, I don't have anything as such, like in terms of discipline. I'm still trying, because discipline can lead my goals in a better way. Like, it can amplify me. But still, I have one thing, is like I told you, right? Again, my main goal is to inspire the people, and I want to grow. Like, I have this blog lockdown, I have this space like where I can spend 20 a day, and usually to scale my brand, because that is my main goal. So that's why I'm working for that. If you are able to connect with your goals, with your purpose, then automatically you don't need any motivation. Any Sometimes definitely motivation, inspiration is required, but when you are connected with your purpose, you have this fuel. You have this fuel. Sometimes maybe you do less work or maybe not, but you have this purpose that you want to do something. You have to achieve that goal, so eventually you're going to achieve it when your purpose is strong. And if I want to address this thing to the audience, then I can say, guys, start writing your goals. When I was talking to various speakers, international TEDx speakers, Forbes Asia 30, one thing which I found common, they were writing their goals, like 2 years, 3 years ka goals they used to write early, at the age of 19, 20, 21, 22. So you have to write your goals. Mindset you can strike impossible. Okay? So something that is going to help you. That universe is going to help you to scale that thing. So it is super important to write down your goals. And also, like 3 months ago, 3 years ka, and impossible goals bhi karna hai, because that's how universe will help you to achieve it.
You can, if you're
Right,
able to
right,
counter
Focus
your
on that,
discipline.
and discipline really makes.
right. Absolutely. So, what one word is the best sum up you and your vision?
Yes, like I guess I've changed my, just coming from my laptop. Yeah,
Okay,
pardon.
okay. So I was saying, like,
Mhm.
any one word is like, which sums up you and your vision of life.
Any one word which sums up my vision.
And you as a personality in life.
Sums up. Okay. Yeah. So one word, one word. Let me think. I haven't think about that one word, but yeah, I want to be an inspiration. So that is one of my goal, and one word is like pioneer. Pioneer. That's what I'll say to myself, because I kept on exploring. So exploring is something which I really love. So I try different things, and I always go for practical approach. I read few things, and then mostly I'm inclined towards practical approach. So practical approach
Okay,
is something which I am admiring the most.
okay, great. So now it's time for the audience question. So anybody wants to ask something?
Guys, this time I was not able to interact with the audience. I would like to ask my audience what are their favorite foods. Like what is the one food without that which you can't survive? Type in the comments. I would love to know your favorite food.
Maggie as a survival tool. Bro. Maggie.
Pardon? Maggie,
Maggie.
Maggie.
Maggie. It's truly a survival tool for this pandemic. And thanks.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. This is the like this is the one during this lockdown. I guess Maggie was the one thing which have like people have consumed the most, and Parle-G as well, because when I was watching stock markets, then I came to know कि like their sales increased by 20%. Britannia का है ना, हाँ, Britannia मैं भूल गया कौन सा. So yeah, even their this thing, they are able to increase their revenue by 20%. Even their CEO told that during this lockdown, this is the only thing when it's gonna happen. Lockdown की वजह से उनका हुआ है ये सारा sales वगैरह. Anyway, in the comments, guys, let's interact यार. छोले भटूरे नकुल, great. What about others?
Yeah, hi. Rishabh, can you hear me? Maitri
Yeah.
this side, yeah.
Yeah. Hi,
So,
Maitri.
Yeah, so basically, Italian food is something without which I feel unsatisfied. चाहे कितना भी घर का खा लो, कुछ भी खा लो, be it Maggie, even Maggie, for most of the people, Maggie is the one which, you know, uh, हर टाइम पे काम आती है, emergency food or whatever you can say. But
Definitely.
until and unless I have Italian में कुछ भी at least once a week, I don't feel that I have actually consumed something that I like. Pasta, pizza, anything of that sort. Whether it is homemade or whether I have to order it from outside, but that is something that I crave for 24/7.
Yeah. Absolutely. Even Italian, yeah, यार मतलब मैं जब जाता था बाहर खाने तो मैं इटालियन ही ज्यादा खाता था, to be honest. So yeah, biryani and momos, definitely, bro, definitely. And anyone favorite shake या favorite dessert? Anyone would like to talk about it?
Cold coffee forever.
Cold coffee, yeah, man. Yeah,
Forever.
cold coffee. Exactly. वो कौन सा ट्रेंड आया था recently where
Dalgona.
हाँ
Dalgona coffee.
अभी भी कोई
Everybody
बना
was
रहा है?
making Dalgona.
अभी भी कोई बना रहा है? Dalgona coffee, death by chocolate from corner house. Crazy. हाँ. या sizzling brownie मुझे बहुत टाइम हो गया खाए हुए. Sizzling brown is like love.
Okay.
And what is the
so
one food which you are craving and you are not able to have during this lockdown? ऐसा कौन सा food है जो lockdown के बाद तुम लोग definitely going to try? मतलब काफी टाइम से ट्राई नहीं किया, वैसे मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. गुलाब जामुन, पानी पूरी, या मैन, पानी पूरी. ग्रेट, पानी पूरी, हाँ एग्जैक्टली. पानी पूरी तो ऐसे घर पे भी बनी रही है.
I guess we are missing having food with our friends in this pandemic more than having any other.
Exactly. Having
Hanging out with our
friends
friends
and hanging out, yeah,
yeah.
definitely. Even I'm missing that.
okay, so I'm so sorry, but we are running out of time.
Yeah. I think we should,
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry to interrupt you
it
there,
was a great
Deepya.
time.
Yes, sir.
Just now I see. Hello, Rishabh. This is Rishabh.
Hi.
Rishabh met Rishabh.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Rishabh.
ऋषभ, आप बताओ, अभी आप मुंबई में रहते हो, राइट?
Yep.
क्या तापमान है वहाँ पे अभी?
About the climate temperature.
30
No.
plus. It is
Not
30 plus
with the
temperature,
climatic, not with the climate one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
न्यूज में आप जान ही रहे हो मुंबई का तापमान क्या है अभी? क्या लग रहा है?
In terms of coronavirus.
Coronavirus also.
And
In terms of the, हाँ Deepya, go ahead.
Kangana Ranaut, sir.
I wrote a post like day before yesterday. I guess I wrote one post नहीं, I guess कल ही लिखा था मैंने about this. Like BMC is super active when it comes to demonetizing this the house, but there are tons of problems which are demolishing.
And I'll
So
clear
there
you
are
one
tons of
thing,
problems.
Rishabh. Sorry to interrupt you. I'll clear you one thing. Means I'm not promoting any of the parties or any of the political parties, especially. But as you are from Mumbai, so just I have asked you. So what's the climate change during this one, the Kangana one? The climate change basically, the Kangana and the Shiv Sena.
Yeah, I mean, politics, Mumbai is mostly influenced by heavy politician and mafia. You have seen in the news, right? And honestly, I'm keeping myself. I know the updates, but I'm not watching it closely because I don't want these negative things. I don't want my brain should feed this negative news.
And honestly speaking, and honestly speaking, it's like the medias are running out of content and they show the same old things again and again.
They know where TRP is lying, and I guess there are tons of Indians who likes to know this kind of a news because 6 महीने से तो कोरोना सुना रहे हैं and अभी spike तो हो रहा है, but now they want different ingredient to make their TRP एकदम ऊपर. So I
gone
feel,
gone are the days where the media used to make us aware.
That's why.
Hardly I've seen that once in a blue
That's
moon.
why I asked na Rishabh at 7 because पूछता है भारत, right?
Mhm.
I think he
Yeah.
didn't understand.
Okay, Dedipek, go ahead. Thank
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes,
Which
sir.
question?
No, not question actually. He was trying to say Arnab Goswami, which you didn't get actually
Acha,
at that point
acha.
of time.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, yeah, I know. My friends are closely watching this, and I mean, in terms of this channel, Republic TV, मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत देखता हूँ, बहुत कम, rarely, but that's what I told you. I don't want feed my brain with the negative thoughts, so that's why I focus on the positivity because already lockdown है, कहीं जा नहीं पा रहा. As
That's
a
true. That's
outgoing
true.
person, I'm
That's true.
मैं बस honestly बोलूँ, I just go out for running, or second, I'm a दूध वाला. Simple as that. After 3 to 2 days, after 1 day, I have to go and I have to buy milk. That is the one thing I'm doing consistently. Two things during this lockdown I'm consistent is bringing milk here in my home, and second is writing on LinkedIn. So this is the two things which I'm doing from from March से लेके अभी तक. I'm a single child, so मम्मी पापा जल्दी मेरे को भेजते नहीं है बाहर ऐसे. कभी कभी आजकल तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत निकल रहा हूँ बस भागने के लिए. That is the two things which I'm doing consistently. To be honest, to be very frank.
I can completely relate to it. I can completely
And
understand.
Rishabh, there are a lot more things you're doing, dude. And I recently installed LinkedIn like hardly 20 days ago, and I came through your profile, and I got like greatly inspired. To be honest,
Thank
and
you
I
so
DM'd
much.
about
Thank you
it,
so much.
and I started, and even I started writing, and
Great,
I realized that
man.
LinkedIn was a platform where I think I can run, and I even wrote on. Yes, that's what you're doing, dude.
Thank you so much. And
Yep.
you can send me a post. I'll definitely would love to engage, and I would love to give that kind of organic reach because right now I don't want to brag, to be honest, but I have 20K following. So once I start commenting on your post, you will get a better reach.
Yes,
So
you do have commented. You did comment it actually.
Okay.
Previously,
Actually,
yeah.
the thing is, I don't usually, what happens, I don't remember the name. That is my biggest weakness because, you talk
Okay,
about a particular
okay.
outlet. So that is the one thing, but
All right,
definitely,
all right.
I know I have somewhere, if you
Yeah.
are, we had a conversation and maybe I
Yeah. And
have a look.
even in your comment, Instagram comment box, and even in the DM, we had a
Okay.
word.
My bad. I'm
Anil,
extremely sorry, bro. I'm
Anil post.
extremely sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Anil. Right now, I got your this thing. Like, I'm just having a look on my Instagram. So finally, I
Okay.
got to know. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anil T31.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely we'll catch up once this lockdown is over, like
Yes,
completely.
sure.
Corona gaya hai.
I'll be glad. I'll be super glad. Yes.
Yeah. I'm planning a LinkedIn meetup. So once
Yep.
this thing is over, then definitely we can plan it.
Okay.
I guess
Okay.
we
So
have one question, right? Good evening, sir. You live in Mumbai. Have you ever met Mumbaikar Nikhil? कौन है ये? I don't know. I mean,
Who asked this question? I'd like to know. I'd like to know who
Rudra
asked this
Roy.
question. Okay.
Rudra Roy.
Rudra Roy, as living in this is something very funny which happens to Mumbai cousins. Whenever I go to native, people ask me, if you live in Mumbai, have you ever seen Shahrukh? I said, dude, he stays in Bandra, I stay in Kandivali. How am I supposed to? How does it make sense if I live in Mumbai? I would have seen so many stars like Mumbai.
Exactly.
He's an YouTuber. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The traveling wala YouTuber है
Yeah,
क्या?
Mumbai ka Nikhil. Yeah. He's a
Okay.
vlogging guy.
Yeah. I remember.
Actually, the thing is, the irony is his YouTube channel's name is Mumbai Kar Nikhil, but he hardly vlogs in Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crazy. Okay, I
Okay.
think we should wrap up because
Yes.
yeah.
Great.
Yeah,
session,
before
great session.
wrapping up, I just want कि सब लोग एक बार अपना camera on करो and then we have a nice picture or screenshot and just tag me on Instagram and then later on we can connect on LinkedIn and यहाँ पे ठीक है? Let's do that.
Yes.
Just give me a sec. मेरा just give me a sec. हाँ guys, please अपने face दिखा दो. Yeah. Anyone is taking screenshot?
Oh, hi Nakul man. Yo, guys, do tag me and just let me know
Sure, sure,
how
sure.
was this experience because ये मेरे लिए एक नया experience था to be honest. I was not मैंने पहले कभी ऐसा नहीं किया. Mostly it was inclined towards personal branding and stuff. This is something which I have done something new. So I would love to know your experience regarding this. I mean, just a feedback.
Yes,
तो अगर ऐसा कुछ
that's my
था
first session. That's my first session this of anyway.
okay,
So
okay,
even this was amazing.
yeah, thanks.
I
I
just
usually
I just
Okay, so
I just started doing diet today, but I don't think I'll continue.
Nakul man, yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I know. Purpose. That's why I told you, na. Purpose से connect करना is super important.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I'm just sharing my Instagram ID. I'm not sure whether you guys
Yes, yes,
have it or not. So yeah, you guys can tag me anyway. So thank you so much, and
yes, yes. Thanks,
thanks a
thanks.
lot for having me on board. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the session. Sorry, 5 minutes थोड़ा late हो गया मैं, but yeah, I hope it was worth it.
okay, so before we wrap up, I just wanted to ask you one thing. Like any message you want to give to the people who are watching you and going to watch you.
Uh, in terms of, just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Yeah, I have messaged my Instagram ID. Anyway, coming to the point, guys, make sure you connect your purpose. So it will help you. You know, if you don't know what you want to do, just make a roadmap of 3 months, and every 3 months you try your stuff. If you are still not aware what you want to do, like after 10 years or 20 years, जहाँ पे तुम अपने आप को देखना चाहते हो, so take 3 months का time span and explore every freaking field. ठीक है? Every freaking field you need to explore and you need to have that practical approach. 100 लोगों के पास जाओ, कोई एक ना एक हाँ बोलेगा. ठीक है? And even you guys can connect with me. I'll make sure I'll connect. There's a community called Circle of Legends, which is run by operation head of TCS Mexico, Darshan Patel. So he's helping a lot of students to. He's helping a lot of mentoring a lot of students, and he's also helping students to get the mentors on behalf of this community. Suppose if I want to approach X mentor and it is not possible for me, so if I tell him, he's going to approach you on behalf of yeah. And this is completely free. It's completely free. We have a like-minded community. So guys, still if you are not if you're not able to get it what you want, just ping me on WhatsApp. I mean, not WhatsApp है तो ठीक है. LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere you guys just ping me. I was not, मेरा focus ये नहीं था कि I want to scale my personal branding. I just started talking about different aspects जो मेरे knowledge से. I just simply started sharing, and then people make me realize कि मैं personal branding में जा रहा हूँ. बहुत लोगों ने बोला. Then I came to know, yeah, I'm going in that direction. तो मैंने ऑटोमेटिकली फोकस करके बहुत लोगों से कनेक्ट किया, बहुत लोगों से बात किया, देन मुझे पर्सपेक्टिव मिला. अंटिल अनलेस यू डोंट कनेक्ट विद द लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड चलता है, देन यू विल बी एबल टू गेट टू नो कि अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से अलग अलग फील्ड में क्या रोल्स है, क्या क्या चीज है. मे बी दैट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू इंटरेस्ट. सो मेक श्योर यू कनेक्ट विद दोज पीपल. एंड लिंक्डइन इज समथिंग आई फील तुम्हारे कि कोई ये भी लिखता है ना कि मेरे 1000 फॉलोअर्स हुए हैं आज, पीपल स्टिल अप्रिशिएट दैट. अगर तुम बोलोगे 10,000, 5,000, 3,000, तुम कितना भी बोलोगे, 500 के लिए भी बोलोगे ना, पीपल विल अप्रिशिएट दैट. यहाँ पे यूजुअली पीपल डोंट हैव ईगो. लाइक आई हैव सीन देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु यूजुअली कंप्लीटली गो एंड नेगेटिव कमेंट्स. हेल्दी क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है यहाँ पे. मतलब वो एक ऐसा क्रिटिसिज्म होगा जिसके थ्रू तुम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मेंटर्स हु आर रेडी टू मेंटर यू फॉर फ्री. दे आर नॉट इवन गोइंग टू चार्ज यू. So research work, make sure your research work is strong and connect with the right purpose. अगर नहीं है 3 महीना लो और explore करो and read books जो मैं भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but I want to do that. That's why I want you guys to start with that. एक बहुत अच्छा book था, I don't remember the name. एक तो है Rich Dad and Poor Dad. This is one thing which you should read if you want to learn stock market, because I feel multiple source of income होना जरूरी है. And don't be a trader, be an investor. ठीक है? So Rich Dad and Poor Dad is something which you should definitely go and learn, because stock market is something right now सारे stocks down है. and एक साल के बाद वो up होंगे definitely. So this is the right time, to be honest, to
And
explore.
also the author Brian Tracy. Almost all of his books are so much engaging, so much about self.
Yeah.
Yes.
And The Secret is also one of the books. जो they talk about the universe law. Like, once you start, once you build your mindset, how to, जैसे कि मैंने बोला ना, कुछ impossible goal set करो. So that universe is going to help you to achieve that kind of a goal. So The Secret is one book. The second book is Think and Grow Rich. वो सारे business के लिए apply होता है, to be honest. And third is नेपोलियन करके एक ऑथर है, मैं भूल रहा हूँ उनका नाम. सो व्हाट ही डिड, लाइक वो ऑलमोस्ट 40-50 मतलब काफी सक्सेसफुल लोगों के पास गए एंड ही इंटरव्यूड देम एंड वो सारे जो उनके जो कॉमन चीजें थे ना, वो एक जॉट डाउन करके एक बुक में लिख दिया है. सो मुझे एग्जैक्टली वो बुक का नाम याद नहीं है यार, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव टोल्ड यू. क्या आई एम स्टिल सर्चिंग. में कोई नेपोलियन करके एक है. जस्ट गिव मी अ सेक. Anyone have an idea?
Is it Key to Success by Napoleon Hill?
Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. Guys, ये पहला पढ़ लो. में उन्होंने एटलीस्ट बहुत सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के बारे में बात किया है. ठीक है.
Napoleon Hill.
Think and Grow Rich. ये अभी मैं कैसे बताऊं?
Yeah, by Napoleon Hill. Yes.
Yeah, दिख रहा है. हाँ, think and Grow Rich. I mean, I don't know ये कवर वैसा ही पेज है because मैं खुद पहली बार देख रहा हूँ इसे. बट ये जरूर रीड करना बिकॉज इसमें सारे सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का जॉट डाउन करके कॉमन चीज क्या है. तो वो कॉमन चीज तुमने पकड़ लिया ना, तो तुम्हारा जर्नी और ज्यादा फास्ट हो सकता है. सो यूजुअली बुक्स को लोग अंडरस्टिमेट करते हैं, बट जैसे मैं करता हूँ, मैं I usually prefer videos ज्यादा देखता हूँ, मैं ये सब करता हूँ. But I feel book is a must thing which everyone should read, including me. So yeah,
Okay.
I'll be very frank with my life, with my personal life and stuff.
Okay. So before we end, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude and warm regards to you for gracing us with your presence in our chat show today. And we at Hey Foodie have our own little way to thank and show love to all our guests. So on your screen, we will be presenting you a certificate of participation, which will be mailed to you shortly. So please accept it on behalf of the entire Hey Foodie team.
Yes.
Himanshu.
Thank you so much. I have to take a screenshot or you're going to mail it?
We will be mailing you shortly. Don't worry.
Yeah. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Thank you
if you would to show this interview to your loved ones, please share through our YouTube page. And to know more about Hey Foodie, please do visit our social media pages.
Guys, if you enjoyed this session, just make sure you follow them. And follow
Thank you,
me
sir.
as well on LinkedIn and Instagram. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining.
All right, great session. Thanks, Rishabh.
Thank you, Rishabh. Bye.
Thanks, Deep.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rishabh. Bye bye.
Yeah.